Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Clash of Clans sync error or how to fix Clash of Clans connection lost problem on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So tap and hold the Clash of Clans app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Clash of Clans game and check sync error is fixed or not. If not, then again tap and hold the Clash of Clans app icon, then click on app info, tap on battery usage and then select the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Clash of Clans game. So tap and hold Clash of Clans game icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device, and after your device restart, open Play Store and then reinstall the Clash of Clans game and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Clash of Clans sync error or Clash of Clans connection lost problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.